unbox this real quick. Thanks, Paul, by the way, from Scooter Swap Shop for doing my invoice for me.
I wake up every minute with a fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to feed. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. So I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a
Made you look.
This is what we got in. Check it out, man. Bellini. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Man, this box is like full, isn't it? Yeah, no shit. Not bad for. I mean, this right here is gonna have. If I can get it up from out here. Still have our air filters and stuff in it. It comes with two different kind of. Oh, it comes with two different ones. Oh, it just comes with two different elbows. Okay, well, that's good to know, anyways. It comes with two different elbows, anyways. I gotta hide this up while we get something. Here's our cable we got. What the hell, dude? Y'all getting a little lazy now. They just kind of threw some Starburst in here. Fucking that's crazy. Oh, there's our 90 degree we need. And some jets, man. We really did need some jets, no kidding. I mean, man, y'all couldn't have got like strawberry, the worst flavor there is, man. I even tipped you guys. Don't we always? Yeah. And the worst flavor at all, man. Like, you know what? I usually don't eat these, but I'm feeling lucky today. So if I start tripping out and some bad shit happened to me, we know that Paul, we know straight up that Paul put acid or something on this probably, and they're gonna be laughing at me. So y'all better, this better be real. Is it? Oh, it's crunchy. What the hell? Woo! Tastes good though. I got to start hiding stuff now, for real. I mean, I've got to hide stuff. Like, I'm not kidding. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I've got to hide some stuff. Let's see. Huh. These things are like really in here, aren't they? Oh, the back here. It's back here, huh? You know, quality control. I'm just excited right now. I feel like I'm way too excited, right? Way too excited. Check it out, boys and girls. The CP19. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You mean they don't have a... You can't even take the thing out of the bottom. That's kind of ridiculous, man. It's a plenty carb and you can't even do as much to it. It's kind of shitty, man. Right. Alright, you got a new tube with it. I'll be damned. And a sticker whooping on the bike. Uh-oh. Standard PWK card. Now, this don't fit now. I get a new one, right? Because I do the invoice. I'm pretty sure that's why y'all do the invoice. You do the invoice, if they mess up, they hook you up with new shit. True story, by the way, true story. That's why you do the invoices. That way it's on them if they don't work right. Exactly. That's actually a really good thing. But I'll be back.
missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town.